Alright, I got a 7,000 watt Onan generator here, the marquee version. This is built into a Coachman motorhome. Got a little twin engine, I believe it is, in there, and I just got finished changing the engine oil and the filter. So, right there. And the oil level's all topped off. Everything's pretty much fully automatic here. Runs off of gasoline from the fuel tank that the engine itself runs off of as well. So we're going to go ahead and start this up here. Try again. Choke is acting a little goofy on this thing. Don't ask me why. Alright, let's check the level. Probably gonna need a little more. A little bit more, not too low though. All right, let's check it again. Right at the full line. Perfect. Now, I know there's going to be some people say, oh, you shouldn't thread the cap down on this one when you check it. Well, on this particular one, you do. The owner's manual, it tells you to. So let's crank her up again. And there's the current hours. Here's a remote start-stop switch. As you can see here, it's still warming up. When we start loading it up with the air conditioner and that, it'll tell you here how many amps it's pulling. Tell you what devices are in use right here. Well, we'll go ahead and shut it down. That's all that's to it.